2016 Buick Cascada 1.6-liter turbo 4 produces 200 horsepower. The Cascada isn't so much a new Buick as a car that's new to Buick. It's been on sale for about 3 years as the Opel Cascada in Europe, along with badge-engineered siblings sold by Vauxhall and Holden in other parts of the world. Buick took the time to make several hundred changes to the Cascada for U.S. consumption and then found it without many rivals. The Chrysler 200 convertible, Volkswagen Eos, and Volvo C70 would all be prime targets for the Cascada here, were they not all dead now. Buick's gamble is that these Chrysler, VW, and Volvo, also Saab, for that matter, customers are looking for somewhere to go next. The 1.6-liter turbo 4 produces 200 horsepower, up from 168 in the Opel, paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission to provide more than sufficient performance for both on-ramp and passing maneuvers.